Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to reverse a video on iPhone. So guys, the first thing that you will do is you're gonna do it in default. So we have to utilize a third party application. So first go to the App Store into your device. And from here, you can just simply use CapCut and make sure to download it into your iPhone. And now, once you have downloaded it, just simply open it up. From here, guys, you can just simply go ahead and select new video over here. And from here, guys, you can just simply select the video that you want to reverse and select add. Now, it will redirect you to the timeline to edit your clip. Select your clip, and from here, automatically, you will have multiple tools down below. So you can just simply swipe to the left side, guys, and pretty much until you find the reverse option. From here, you will have the reverse. Just simply tap on it, and automatically it will reverse your video and it will start from the end, and the start will be on the end. And pretty much you should be able to reverse this video. Just simply select export to save it into your photos by selecting the export button on the top right corner. And pretty much you should be able to save it and have your video on reverse. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.